Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to recover online bank account password of Merrick Bank. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to open any web browser on your PC as I am using a Microsoft Edge for this. Now go in for new tab and search in for a merrickbank.com and press enter. At the official webpage of Merrick Bank, you can see the login form page on right side of your screen. There you need to provide your username or email and password. Then click on login where you will get directly logged in into the online banking account of Merrick Bank. As we are going to recover our password or username, you need to click on the link that has been provided below, that is forgot username or password. You click on it. Here, to recover your password, you need to provide the following details. That is, you provide your account number, then provide your username. After you provide both the details, you click on continue where you will be redirected to the another page. Then you go in for following the instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your password. Similarly, if you forgot your username, then you click on the link that has been provided, that is forgot username. You click on it. Here, to recover your username, you need to provide the following details, that is, you provide your account number, then you provide last 4 digits of social security number, that is your SSN, then you provide your last name. After you provide all the details, you need to click on continue where you will be redirected to another page. There you need to follow the instruction that has been provided. Then you will be able to recover your username as well. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to recover online bank account password of Merrick Bank. Thank you.